Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset accessibility settings on Samsung. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general management. Scroll down the general management page and then click on reset. Scroll down, locate and click on reset accessibility settings. Then it should say your accessibility settings will be reset to their default. Then you want to read this and understand it very well before you go ahead and click on reset settings. Once you click on reset settings, you'll be prompted to type in your Samsung PIN or confirm your Face ID and then click on continue. Now, all accessibility settings will be reset. This can't be undone, so go ahead and click on reset. Once you hit the reset button, this is going to reset your accessibility settings on your Samsung phone and then you're good. So that's basically how to reset accessibility settings on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.